Hey cuties, so I made this cute keychain for you all, and now you can try it yourself. If you have pipe cleaners, if you don't have, you can buy it. It's not too expensive. So firstly I will be choosing this pink color. Next I will be folding the pipe cleaner into half like this. Then we will be do a measurement with your finger, because we have to keep all the we actually need 5 pipe cleaner for this, and all 5 we have to keep the same measurement. Then we have to turn the upper side upside down, and then we have to move the pipe cleaner from inside like this. You can just see the whole process. It will be very easy for you all. After moving them from inside, you have to tighten them, and then you have to twist it again. And after twisting, you will leave, I think, an inch of the pipe cleaner. Then you have to cut it, and we will do the same with all these. So after cutting the extra part, we have to bend it a bit. We have to do this with same with all of these. So we will be having 5 pipe cleaner to make a strawberry. So this is all are done, and like this, see, one transition and all are done. So you have to do it yourself, because I did it too. So these transitions are just to add a vibe. Then we have to apply glue gun. You can also use B7000 glue, but I think glue gun would be more would make it more stiff. So you should use this. If you don't have, then you can use B7000 as well. So this is how we will be attaching them one by one, and we have to move them a bit curved so that it makes a round shape like this one. So this is done. This is after applying pipe cleaner. This is how it will look. Next we have to make the upper part of the strawberry. You can also use a green color. I didn't have that, so I'll use the sea green color, and I think this looks more cute than the green color. So we have to twist 5 twists like this, small twists, and you have to make them 5. And you have to leave some extra part that I left, because that we will make the upper branch of the strawberry. So this is how you will do it. Just keep watching and keep doing. It will be very easy for you all. So guys, if you're watching my video till now, that means you're liking it. So guys, do give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe my channel for more such videos, and do tell me in the comment what next videos you want me to make. So stay tuned. So guys, after moving the extra part upwards, this is how it will look. How cute it's looking. You have to add some more details. You have to press it firmly according to what you want. Then you have to attach it with the help of a glue gun. Next we will be adding some 3D touch to the strawberry. For this we need pink shade, a darker pink shade. So this is how it will be done. After this is done, we will be attaching pearls as a seed. That will add an extra vibe to it. If you are seeing that seashell bead holder, I made it in my last video. It was so useful that the small beads, you can put them inside and just use it. This is how the strawberry will look. How cute it's looking. So next I will be adding a pearl, you can say a bracelet. It's a type of bracelet inside it that will add an extra vibe to it. So this is how I will be. You can use a simple keychain as well. This keychain was available to me, so that's why I added it into this one, because it's easy to use as well. So I will be attaching a jump ring to the strawberry. You can make a jump ring yourself if you have wire. In my last videos I have taught you how to make it. I will attach the link of those as well. So this is how it will be looking. You can attach it on with anything, your car keys. I will give you a sample like this. You can attach it with your car keys, or you can attach it with your bag as well. I will be using it with my bag because I think it adds an extra vibe to it. So this is how it will be looking. I attached it on this side, but I think the other side, this one looks more good. This is it for today, and bye.